Hi, boys and girls. All right, I'm going to try this recording, and hopefully I'll be able to share the story with you this way. This is called Even Superheroes Have Bad Days. It is written by Shelley Becker and illustrated by Ida Caban. When superheroes don't get their way, when they're sad, when they're mad, when they've had a bad day, they could use superpowers to kick, punch, and pound. They could shriek, they could screech with an ear-piercing sound. They could crush wooden crates and bend metal gates. They could throw trucks and buses across several states. They could knock over buildings like towers of blocks and crumble the streets into rubble and rocks. They could use laser eyes to ignite forest fires, or fling boomerangs to deflate the town's tires. But upset superheroes have all sorts of choices. Instead of destruction and loud, livid voices, they burn angry steam off with speed of light hiking and super extreme outer space mountain biking. They race to the rescue of people in need and delight in the joy of a super good deed. They hatch super plans to help banish world sadness, building fabulous theme parks for giggles and gladness. They track down and tame super menacing beasts and transform pity parties to victory feasts. But displeased superheroes who don't feel serene could have super temptation to cause a bad scene. They could blast icy blizzards on hot afternoons or walloping twisters and monster typhoons. They could spin super webs super far, super sticky, and tangle up towns with their silk super icky. They could rotate the planet and mess up world time, or sit back and relax while the world fills with crime. When superheroes don't get their way, when they're mad, when they're sad, when they've had a bad day, they could super rampage. They could, but they don't, because real superheroes just wouldn't. They won't. Instead, they dig down to their super best part, the strong superpowers contained in their heart. And using their talents as true heroes should, they battle the urge to do harm, though they could. They acknowledge their sorrow, their anger, their pain, as they wait for their super emotions to wane. It's okay if they frown, it's okay if they sigh, it's even okay if they slump down and cry. But then they get up and get on with their day, saving the world in their most super way. I hope you enjoyed that story, boys and girls. It's all about what we can do with our actions, even if we're upset about something or angry about something or a little frustrated about something. It's all about the choices that we make with our actions. So be like the superheroes, even though you could do something destructive or something mean or unpleasing or unkind, you still want to make good choices, even if you're upset, right? So do something good for someone, make someone smile, make yourself smile, sit down and take a deep breath and think about all the good things that you can do. Or maybe if it's a frustrating situation, think about the positives that might come out of the situation, right? What are some positives that you can learn? How can you learn from this choice? Or how can you learn from what's frustrating you? How can you do better? And go from there. So I know there's a lot that's going on right now that's making everyone feel upset or sad or frustrated. And I just want to remind you to always look for the good, take a deep breath, smile, do something kind for someone, compliment someone, hold a door open for someone. Just those little simple acts of kindness can really change the world, and I want you to start seeing that in your everyday lives. All right? We miss you, boys and girls. Make it a great day. Make it a great summer. And always, always look for the good.